Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a very exciting sale going on. It is a New Year's sale at Verano Hill. All of these handbags are buy one, get one free. So definitely a good sale to start off the year. I have a couple of their handbags to share with you guys. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some super cute handbags. All right, so we got a big bag of handbags ready to share with you guys. And I have 3 styles for you today. And the first one, we're just jumping right on in. And they all come in this really cute little branded dust bag. And you know me, love a good dust bag. So here is, ta-da, the first style. And this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Okay. All right, so it has this little mechanism at the top where you kind of just slide it through, and that's how it closes, and then you can just slide it out. So really easy to get in and out of the bag with that. It also does have a little strap on it, so this is super cute. You can definitely wear it as a cute little like shoulder bag. Also, you can kind of tuck this strap in and wear it with just the top handle piece. And then looking at the actual inside of the bag, you have a magnetic closure, so you can really get in and out of that easy. And then there is some, let me take out some of the packaging so you guys can get a good look on the inside. And this is actually so roomy. This is a lot of space for the bag. You have the little flap here if you want to put your cards in there and just separate your items a little bit. But honestly, I'm so impressed by the quality on this one. It is super, super nice, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. So this style is their Nadia crossbody, and it does come in a couple different colors. I just think this one is so beautiful. Like, oh, this is such a stunning bag, and I really don't have a lot in this color, so I'm excited to get a lot of use out of it. It's perfect for winter time, even going into spring. It's such a nice neutral. It'll just go well with multiple seasons. Yeah, I love the versatility of having this little crossbody style, or you can just have the little handle. And yeah, this is just so stunning. Like, I'm actually speechless. Like, this is such a beautiful bag. It is so nice and just a great everyday piece to add to your bag collection. It's just so chic. So absolutely obsessed with this bag, and I cannot wait to get some use out of it. All right, so this was like such a big hit. I'm excited to open up the rest of them. Wow. Okay, so moving right along, our next bag, reaching into my bag. Again, we've got the little Verano Hill dust bag. So this style, ta-da! This is so chic. Wow, wow, wow. Let me take off some of the packaging here. All right, so this is their Lucia handbag in black, and this is absolutely so stunning. Like, such a beautiful, elegant little clutch style, and it has the little top handle here for you to wear it, or you can kind of smush it down and wear it as a real like proper clutch. Yeah, this is so beautiful. The way it opens is you kind of just turn the little mechanism here, and then this gets you to the inside of the bag. It is, again, quite roomy. It's quite long too, so it's definitely leaning into that east-west style bags, more like elongated shape, which again, I think is just really on trend right now and is such like a chic look. Beautiful, beautiful bag. I think this is a great like going out bag, an event bag, going to a nice dinner or something like that. So this is definitely giving like fancy in my opinion. But I also love styling bags like these with more casual outfits, because I feel like it is such a cool mix to have something a little bit more formal and dressy paired with something really casual. I don't know, I just find that fusion very interesting and just very chic altogether. Yeah, this is such a beautiful style, and I'm like, oh, I'm so excited about it. This is such a beautiful bag, and the quality is nice, like soft, kind of shiny leather material. And this one does come in a gorgeous like chocolatey brown color, but I also just really love it in the black. I will be linking all of the styles that I'm sharing with you guys today in my description down below, so if you want to check out some of the different color options, check out the links. But yeah, this is just such a classy, gorgeous handbag, and I'm so excited to take this out. I need to find an event for this for sure. Yeah, so excited, so cute. Alright, we are already down to our last bag style, and this one, you can tell from the bag, is a little bit smaller, but I'm so excited about this one. It's so cute. So let me show you. Alright, the big reveal. Ta-da! I am so obsessed with this bag. Like, this is so cute. Are you kidding me? It's so soft. Really, really soft. Okay, let's open it up and check her out. Take the packaging out. Let's get a good... Oh, we got the chain. Okay. So this one, it does come with a little crossbody chain, and on its own though, like as a little clutch, a little pouch, this is so cute. What I think I'm the most obsessed over is the color of this one. It is this beautiful dark burgundy. Like, it is such a stunning color. Yeah, absolutely obsessed. She's so cute. Let me show you guys the little crossbody strap. All right, so you can attach the crossbody straps just to these little sections here. So super easy. It just hooks on like that, and I love a bag that you can customize, I guess, and like get a lot of versatility out of, different uses out of, and you have like a lot of versatility in how you wear it. So I think this one definitely checks that box. So here's the little crossbody strap on it. Oh, this is so cute. And what I really love about this strap is that you can actually adjust the length using this little mechanism here. So you just press down on it and it either extends the chain or you can shorten the chain with this. So you can really just adjust it however you want to get the perfect fit. But yeah, this is super cute, and it's just so fun and chic, and it just really gives a cool look to the bag with the strap. I love having the metal detail on the straps. I think that makes it look a little bit more expensive, a little bit nicer, and yeah, I really love that. But oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this little bag. She's just so chic, and I just love how it's just so simple, so elegant. And yeah, this is just such a stunning little bag. She's a little small. She's a little bit smaller than the other bags, but you do get some like good use out of her. I don't know if you can see it, but there is actually a little zippered pocket inside the bag. So if you want to kind of put more loose items in the main pocket, and then you have a little more secured zipper section there, but definitely on the small side. And this is their Joyce shoulder bag style, and this does come in a couple different color options. It's like a burgundy, a gray, a black, a blue. Like there's there's a lot of different color options for this one, so definitely check out my links. I will again be linking all these bags for you guys. But yeah, this one, gosh, I don't know, I think this might be my favorite. I don't know, she's so cute. But yeah, this is our last little bag in the haul. Alright, so that was my quick little unboxing from Verano Hill. Like I was saying, they do have a great New Year's sale going on right now, so all of their bags are buy one get one free. And as always, I will be linking all of these bags in my description down below, as well as just the website in general. If you guys want to shop, check them out. I highly recommend. And be sure to leave a comment down below which bag style was your favorite, which one did you like the best. Also, if you just enjoyed the style video talking about handbags, doing a little unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.